Hey customers, happy Tip Tuesday. Today's Tip Tuesday is on our new Mary Kay Hydrogel Eye Patches. And you're like, what is the deal with these things? If you watched Good Morning America the other day, you probably saw these little babies featured on there. And so I'm going to teach you about them because they're really, really neat. And you only have to use them twice a week, 20 minutes a time. So to get the effects, and so it lasts a really long time, which is kind of neat. So first of all, so hydrogel is a K-beauty trend. And if you've heard the term K-beauty and you're not really sure what it stands for, it actually means Korean beauty. And a lot of the beauty trends that have to do with hydration, evening out skin tone, that type of thing, originate in Asia. And so the generic term for kind of all products that envelop in there are K-beauty. And so here's what's neat. The hydrogel is a newer thing. It's basically water that's suspended in gel. And so the key ingredient in here is glycerin, which is a humectant. So it helps hold in moisture. And so these babies give you a ton of benefits. So they awaken tired eyes. Yay, because who isn't tired in the morning? They hydrate, like major hydration, not just like eye cream hydration. Like this is a blast of hydration for your face. They help with the look of puffiness and dullness. So I've seen some crazy before and afters out there. In fact, I'll post one of my favorites for you so you can see it. But I am in love with these new eye patches. So here's what they look like. So it comes in a jar and you open it up, and each jar comes in a box like this, right? So that's what they look like. But each one, see how it has a happy little spatula up here, right? Just like my painting friends. So this spatula is what's going to help you get the hydrogel eye patches out of the packaging. They are a little bit like, if you've ever gone to a picnic and you try to just get one paper plate, it's a little bit like that. So the other thing is it has this plastic topper. Now, even though there's a lid on top of this, you want to save this plastic topper. This is kind of what keeps the integrity of the product going. So this is what they look like. They're so sparkly and fun, which is really neat. And so you just take this little tool, try to do this here. I don't know if you can see this. Oops, it's hard to do this when I'm not really looking, but I'm looking. So you just want to select one. So there I have one of the eye patches. So I'm going to hold it up. And I don't know if you can see that, but see that sparkle in there? That's what makes these really fun. Now, the first time I used these, I did it wrong. I don't really know. I think it's like a tomato kind of thing. I put them on like this, where the fat end was towards my nose and the skinny end was towards my eye. Apparently, that's not correct. But again, I don't think it's going to matter too much. So the thin end should be towards your nose. So it's kind of like a little, ooh, that feels so good. It's like instant cooling. And so you just smooth it on your eye area. I'm going to get another one. And what's so great about this product, why all of us are so excited about it, so here's one for the other eye, is that it's only $40 for 30 pairs. So you're getting 60 of these, and this is like, y'all, this is like instant gratification. Like, there, that's all it is. And what's so great about these is that they stay put. So it's not like a thing that you have to put on and then lay around. Because if you're like me, I put that stuff on and then I'm thinking like, oh, I gotta do laundry, I gotta do, whatever, you gotta let the dog out, like whatever it is you have to do. That's what's so great. These stay put, so you can sit and like, chase your kids in the morning before school and have your eye patches on and then just like take them off, which is also great. So you can store them in the fridge for an extra spa experience. I'll give you a little close up there. See how they sparkle, and they just feel really, really cooling. So store them in the fridge if you want. And one other question I have been getting, we have another product called Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. Well, what's the difference between Indulge Soothing Eye Gel and this? So Indulge Soothing Eye Gel helps with puffiness. It's not as hydrating as this, and you have to use the Indulge Soothing Eye Gel twice a day to get even close to the benefits of this. So I'm really in love with this because it's instant benefits. Like you see that puffiness disappear instantly, which is really great, and that dullness, and it just brightens up your eye area. So I hope you love these as much as I do. It's going to be this would be a really great holiday gift too, if you're just looking for something that is pampering. You really want to pamper someone, but you don't want it to be too personal, but yet I think every woman or man, for that matter, I made my husband do it, would benefit from these patches. So have a great day.